Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fast forward YouTube Shorts on PC. So if you want to do this guys and you want to go ahead and skip ahead on your
Once a man
shorts.
loves you,
So for example, this is what you want, and as
he
you can
no
see, uh,
longer
we can
likes.
we can actually skip this short as you can see there. So to be able to do that, all you have to do is go over to the URL here and change that shorts here into watch, and in that way it will go ahead and convert it into a normal YouTube video. So as you can see there, and now after that you can now, as you can see, skip it ahead and forward it as you like. So okay guys, that is all for the video today. That is how easily you can move the bar here on YouTube and fast forward or rewind or basically convert it to a normal YouTube video. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.